everybody. Welcome to your Talking Fitchburg Headlines. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Here are the headlines we're working for you as we head into the weekend. The mayor's proposed 2026 operating budget is out, and if you missed the department presentations this past week, you can go back and watch those on Fact TV. But in the meantime, this is your chance to comment on the proposed budget. The next public hearing on the proposed budget, or the public hearing, will be on October 14th at the Common Council meeting. Council then will have their proposed amendments added to the budget. Those are due by October 16th. But now is the time. If you want to submit comments to the mayor's proposed budget, now is the time to do that ahead of the October 14th public hearing. And/or you could submit those to your alders as well. The full schedule, process, and budget is online on our website, fitchburgwi.gov. Metro wants to hear how your bus rides are going. Let me say that right. Want to hear your feedback. Do you have a great story about one of our drivers or a positive experience on the last bus ride you took? Tell us about it. Your feedback helps us share what's working well and find ways to make your ride even better experience for everybody. You can share your information and thoughts with Metro through their website. Oak Bank Great Pumpkin Giveaway is happening this weekend. It is on Saturday, October 4th from 9 to noon at Oak Bank. The Great Pumpkin Giveaway features, it's a fundraiser first off, but it features, of course, great pumpkins, goodie bag, tractor-drawn carriage rides, and an opportunity to meet some local mascots. Cash donations during this event are going to the Meadowood Health Partnership, an organization that focuses on strengthening families, promoting literacy, and providing neighborhood-based model health care. And the Fitchburg Fire Department has their annual open house this weekend. It's a great opportunity to meet local firefighters, learn more about fire safety, and enjoy some great food and community. This is October 4th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Fire Station number 2, 2931 Marketplace Drive, and we hope you have a great weekend.